What's going on, good people? Today we're at Flamin' Amy's Burrito Barn.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool art. Sorry. It's an 8-4 burrito. I mean, the chicken is spot on. Fresh ingredients. 8-4. 8-4. I like that. 8-2. 8-2 score.